Good afternoon, Happy New Year, and the warmest welcome back to school. I hope you were able to get some downtime over the Christmas break and you're now back ready to grab exciting futures and opportunities. As you will no doubt be aware, the Omicron variant of COVID-19 has caused a great deal of concern for the country, and a number of mitigations, that's the things that people put in place to try and prevent something happening, have been tweaked across the country. The next few slides will remind us of those we have been using, and some of them we've just put a little bit more detail to. It is so important that we work together on this, as these measures aim to keep all of us and our families safe. We all have a responsibility to look after our communities. While that's quite a lot of pressure on all of us, we have been doing this and we can keep doing this. So let's be really clear. Please only come to school if you are well. If you have symptoms of a high temperature, a new continuous cough, a loss or change to your sense of smell or taste, please do not come to school. If you have any symptoms of COVID, please book a PCR test. I'm going to go into more detail as we go through these slides, but every member of staff and every young person attending school should complete 2 lateral flow tests a week and register those results online. There's another few slides that will explain what that is if you're not quite sure. Let's just remind ourselves of a few of the things that we do already in school. In school, we wear masks unless you are medically exempt. We sanitize our hands on arrival to school and then sanitize again on entering and leaving classrooms. We wipe down our work areas after each lesson, and we have fixed seating plans with us all facing forward. Remember, those seating plans are logged on the computer, and I use these to support track and trace. We use a one-way system during changeovers, and we would ask you to minimize risk to yourself and others and go straight to your next class. Teachers will be waiting at their doors to welcome you. Classrooms feature good ventilation, and that might be with the windows open at the beginning and end of lessons, or just the wee vents. If you're here in Oban, we've got the vents that we can leave open, or it might be the door is left open a little bit. When the weather is horrible at break times, we use classrooms and a variety of different spaces at lunchtimes. We stay in our bubbles at lunchtime, and we have extra cleaning throughout the day of all the touch points. We also have staggered times when it's going to be busy, when we're leaving, to keep the corridors nice and free. Just a reminder, I'm not going to play this video, but please wear your masks properly. They only work if they cover your nose and your mouth. And it's dead dull reminding everybody to put their masks up properly. Look after your friends and family and yourself. Wear your mask properly. Try where you can. Keep 2 meters from everybody. Let's look at some of the lunch spaces. Sit far enough that you can't touch the person next to you. If you are sat in a group, make sure if there are people facing towards you that you are at least 2 meters away. Please put your masks back on when you've finished eating. Of course, please put all your rubbish in the bin. We can't have any ball games, I'm afraid, in any of the games halls that we're using. Put your chairs away facing the same way so they stack nice and neatly. So for those in Oban, here's a reminder of the spaces we use. In Tiree, please make sure that you go back to your classrooms if the weather is horrible. A reminder in Oban, you can't use the booths on the terrace at all. And a reminder to both schools, the weather's horrible, we have a space for you, but wandering around and being in other places is not allowed. Please go to your designated area. Now the games hall here at Oban is massive, so we have divided that in half. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesdays looks like that. S4 stay to the left. On a Thursday, S5 and 6 can you go to the left to keep the S1s to the right. Now remember, we pack up those halves of the room separately so that you guys stay in your bubbles. On Friday, S4, if you stay to the left, that would be brilliant. Thank you very much. If you travel to school on a bus or a train, it's incredibly important that you wear your mask unless you're medically exempt. Remember, many of these routes are actually open to the public. And remember our duty to our community. We are all interlinked, so we have to look after each other. Please wear your mask on the bus or on the train. Lateral flow tests, sometimes called LFTs or LFDs, which is lateral flow device, are an incredibly important tool against COVID. It helps spot anyone that doesn't display symptoms while they do actually have COVID. This is really common amongst young people especially. So what that means is that they actually have COVID, but they don't have any of the cough or the temperature or anything like that. So they come to school as normal, and then other people might end up getting it. So we need to use these lateral flows to stop that. So every member of staff and every pupil is asked to take 2 tests a week. Remember, if these return a positive result, that's when it comes up with 2 lines, you should immediately isolate. You should register all your results online, as this will kind of kick off the track and trace procedures with the health protection team. You should also inform the school of any positive LFT results. Remember, you can pick up the kits, they're free. You can pick them up in the morning. I've been taking them out in the morning when I've been welcoming everybody, or you can get them from the school office. Your teacher's going to go through a few other bits with what they are and how they work and so on after this assembly. Over the next few weeks and months, please look after each other. Take your individual responsibility for your part in keeping everyone safe. Tighten up on the masks. Be tight on the seating. Be distanced, especially in those lunch spaces. And focus on really, really exciting futures. Your teacher will now show you how the LFTs work and what's in the kit. And they'll actually open one up and show you all the little bits, just in case you've not yet started to do those. Stay safe, and hopefully I'll see you all soon.